Very good morning, my dear kids. This is Miss Kiritika. I'm here to teach you all some French. And in this class, we are going to learn the months of the year. And in our last video, we have learned the first 6 months. And in this video, the rest of the 6 months. Let's get into the video. July, Juillet, July, Juillet, Juillet, August, août, August, août, août, September, 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 October, 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 November, 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 December, 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 Juillet, août, September, October, November, December. This time, kindly repeat along with me. Janvier, February, Mars, April, May, Juin, Juillet, août, September, October, November, December. So, dear ones, listen to this video 2 to 3 times and practice the months of the year. Merci.